All right, time to take a look at the WORKPRO 16-inch manual nut riveter with 185 pieces of rivet nuts. So that's actually quite a bit. So we got our instructions. That's cool. So it does tell us if we're going to be putting in, for example, a 1024 nut, we need a 7mm or a 9/32 hole. I'm probably going to be using 1/4-20, so that means I need to use a 9mm or 23/64 drill bit. Look at all that. So you got M10, M12. I like that everything is well labeled like that. M12 is very large. But it does come with 1/4-20. I do like that they organize it so all the metrics have this silver coating and the SAEs have this gold color coating. And then we got all of our heads. So we've got metrics on the left, SAE on the right, M4 up to an M12, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that's everything that I normally see. 1024, 1/4-20, 5/16, 3/8, and half. So very complete set. And it looks like we got one on there. I like that they put a little rubber head on there too, so we can actually grab that thing. Okay, and we can actually read on here, this is the M5. So we do have the case for the M5 if that's not the one that we want to use, but at least we have one installed so we can see how it's supposed to be installed, so that's nice. Oh, that is cool. So most of these require quite a bit more effort to actually remove. This one just slides out. That is a very nice design. I like that a lot. And having those two flats on there is actually going to help to make sure that it doesn't spin inside the chuck. That's cool. So this is mostly what I use these things for. This is just a sheet metal panel. I'm going to start out by drilling this with the 23/64. So you can see this is fairly thin material, so if I tried to just tap this and then put a bolt in there, there's no way that would be able to hold anything. I would just end up ripping that screw right out. So with this, I'm going to use the 1/4-20. That's cool. Looks like these are color-coded too. So not only is it the gold color, they actually have a green band on there, so you know that this is a complete set. So this is what the actual rivet nut looks like. So you can see it is threaded on the inside. That is for a 1/4-20. Then you can see those little ridges right there. That is going to compress and it's going to squeeze on the walls to make sure that this stays in place. So I'll thread this on here, and then when I pull these handles back, that is going to pull it down and that is going to compress that. So it's going to squeeze that metal out, and that's what makes this whole tool work. Now all I gotta do is dunk that in the hole and squeeze. There we go. Now I can spin this knob to unthread it. Now we have got a threaded hole in that metal, and there is no way that is going to spin. Because you can see on the back, see how well that is compressed? That is biting completely on the wall of that metal. Then I can take whatever 1/4-20 bolt I've got, and that will thread right in there just like it was a solid piece of steel. So if you want to mount something to panels like this is going to be your best bet. So yeah, overall, this is a fantastic kit.